Food safety and dairy production, from farm to fork. Did you know that every glass of milk goes through a long journey before it reaches your table? From the dairy farm to the supermarket shelf, strict food safety measures are used to ensure that milk and dairy products are safe, nutritious, and of high quality. What does farm to fork mean? Farm to fork refers to every step in the dairy supply chain. Cow dairy farm, right pointing arrow, glass of milk, milking, right pointing arrow, delivery truck, transportation, right pointing arrow, factory, processing, right pointing arrow, package, packaging, right pointing arrow, shopping cart, retail store, right pointing arrow, fork and knife with plate, consumer. Food safety must be maintained at every stage to prevent contamination and protect public health. Food safety on the farm. The journey begins with healthy animals. Farmers provide clean water and quality feed. Cows are monitored for diseases such as mastitis. Milking equipment is cleaned and sanitized regularly. Milkers follow strict personal hygiene practices. Milk is cooled immediately after milking to slow bacterial growth. Food safety during milk collection and transport. Once milk leaves the farm, milk is transported in sanitized tankers. Tankers are sealed to prevent contamination. The cold chain is maintained, usually below 4 degrees Celsius. Milk samples are tested before processing. Food safety in the processing plant. Before milk is packaged, it undergoes several safety checks, quality testing for antibiotics and contaminants, pasteurization to destroy harmful bacteria, filtration to remove impurities, laboratory testing for microorganisms, strict sanitation of processing equipment. Food safety at retail and home. Even after processing, safety remains important. Dairy products must be refrigerated properly. Expiry dates should be checked before purchase. Opened products should be stored correctly. Cross-contamination should be avoided in the kitchen. Interesting dairy food safety facts: most people don't know glass of milk can absorb odors from its surroundings, which is why proper storage is important. Microbe: 1 milliliter of contaminated milk can contain millions of bacteria if it is not cooled quickly. Snowflake: cooling milk immediately after milking is one of the most effective ways to preserve quality. Microscope: every tanker of milk may undergo multiple quality tests before being accepted by a processing plant. Cow: healthy cows produce safer milk. Animal welfare is directly linked to food safety. Warning: antibiotic residues in milk can cause entire batches to be rejected by dairy processors. Test tube: pasteurization does not make milk less nutritious, it makes it safer by destroying harmful microorganisms. Packaging is designed not only for marketing but also to protect milk from contamination, light, and spoilage. Why food safety matters. Food safety protects consumers from foodborne illnesses, reduces waste, improves product quality, and builds trust in the dairy industry. A single mistake anywhere in the supply chain can affect thousands of consumers. Conclusion: food safety and dairy production is everyone's responsibility, from farmers and transporters to processors, retailers, and consumers. Every safe glass of milk is the result of careful management, strict hygiene, and continuous quality control from farm to fork. Question for viewers: what do you think is the most important step in keeping milk safe? Healthy cows, pasteurization, refrigeration, or good hygiene? Let us know in the comments. Glass of milk: cow sparkles.